Hi guys, it's Ryan here from the Private Banking Forum. Just doing my live journal recap. Still in this swing trade that I've been in since Wednesday now, and just going to explain a couple things that I'm looking at going into the open today. So, regards obviously my position and adding to it, currently, best way to explain it is we're pretty much right at the highs of the composite that we've been building since we broke out of and established this new range. This is what I'm talking about in the weekly. So this was the sort of bracket I was tracking before, and we sort of broke out, and we balanced up here, and we're starting to break out again. And this is where I've been tracking the distribution of volumes on this smaller composite area. And at the minute I've anchored a Midas Vwap from this sort of spike lower, and I've been building a position up since we pulled back to this other Vwap anchor level and support. And I mean, as you can see, we're right at the highs at the minute, and we're right at the highs of this current distribution. So above the 110.70 sort of area, we've got a very low volume spike. And what I don't want to be doing today is obviously pressing this market. I don't want to be I want to keep my average core skew as low as possible while adding at good logical locations. So like I said, I'm not going to try and press this market today. I mean, this is the current developing composite since we broke out of the distribution that we've been trading in below, and I bought the lows off, and I bought this lows down here, and we finished up and completed this profile, this composite, and we broke away, and this is the current composite I'm tracking. So I mean, we've got an open excess gap down here which is going to supply support. So at the minute I want to see this composite build up with more volume, and point of control value migrating higher possibly. But yeah, as for trades and adding to this position today, I'm just going to stay on the edge of caution now. We're at these highs. I mean, this could be a key reversal point, and we can hold this overhead support now where this volume spike is. I mean, I am expecting this to come get cleaned up and some volume filled in here, but you never know. I mean, this could be a key reversal point in this market, and we could continue to come back into balance and the value below. So just staying on the edge of caution here. I mean, realistically, this could have been a great target area on this trade, but I'm expecting higher prices at the moment. So we'll see how this develops the rest of the week, and how I'd further decide to manage this position. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. I've got my eye on the S&P today, and I've got my eye on the euro. So I'll let you know if I see anything, and I start to establish anything. I'll go through it in real time. Anyway, keep posted. Okay, just to update for this crude oil position, it is currently 12:30 Eastern time. I've not added to this position, but there was a great opportunity just to arise, but I didn't react. Obviously, we're coming down and testing some key levels here at the developing monthly value area high, last week's value area high, and we come down and tested Friday's low of day, and this was a great place to get long. I mean, there was some great absorption down here. You could see that there was some great passive buying absorption down here as we came down and tested Friday's low of day, and I just missed the opportunity. I mean, it happened pretty quick, so I'm just going to keep my position where it is at the minute, and not continue to add now. Now the asymmetrical opportunity has gone. But I mean, what I'm looking at for this current trade at the minute is I mean, this is a developing composite for from Friday and today's trade. So we've still got the excess gap below us. So I'm looking to just continue to build, keep building volume up, and see if we can find more buyers here to fill in some higher volume, and hopefully continue to progress higher. I mean, time will tell what's going to happen here, and if this trade will continue to work for me or not. But just monitoring everything. I mean, my Midas Vwap, we've come back down to the value area high now here, and we're in this sort of top distribution zone. So I mean, we're coming back down to the lower end of the distribution zone. We've just seen some buyers respond, so hopefully we will come through this high volume node at the 109.90 area, and continue to come in and fill this volume higher with buyers responding here. But obviously time will tell, and like I said, I'll continue to commentate this position as it continues to unfold here. Pretty balanced day so far. You can see on the composite of the volume composite that we've just got a very balanced day, a rotational day, inside day, and obviously the asymmetric opportunity was Friday's low of day with what was happening today. So anyway, I'll keep you posted on this and my thoughts into the close. But I mean, this was my location to add to my position, and I missed it. So I'll just keep this going, and we see what happens here. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Okay, just gonna finish up my video for today. It's currently 20 past 7 Eastern time. Just sort of let the close ride out, and we've seen this sort of spike down into the ETH hours, and it's quite a big sell-off back into my position at the minute. So just keeping an eye on everything. I'm going to tell you what I'm looking at going into tomorrow. I mean, at the minute I'm only about 60 cent up on my core average position, and I've got about 20 ticks of risk. My stop at the minute is currently at 107.70, and I mean, on the RTH session we looked pretty strong going into the close. I mean, we were holding this new sort of composite that we've been building after the gap up from the lower composite, and we've got this excess gap below us, which is a good support. And I was just expecting this to sort of just hold this area and maybe tomorrow open above the point of control and fill some more volume in and continue to try and move higher here. But I mean, what we've seen into the ETH open and the RTH close is a pretty big sort of sell-off all the way down into sort of into the previous sort of composite area. I mean, at the minute we are trading currently at 108.44, so I mean we closed RTH 109.50, so we've seen quite a sharp sell-off, but we have come right down to last week's Vwap and held this as support, and we are currently trading at this month's developing Vwap. So we just have to see what happens here. Obviously wasn't expecting this this price action to happen, but regards market structure, we're still looking okay to the upside if we can hold and find support here. I'm just going to go into some other small details of what I'm currently looking at as well. I mean, this is the weekly TPO volume and the monthly TPO volume, and we've established high volume up here and filled in some volume from last week, and we've come down to last week's point of control, TPO point of control, and the highs of this bracket. So I mean, this is support I've been looking at, and you can see the same thing on the monthly. You can see the high this developing month. I mean, you can see the sort of the distribution below us, and this is where we're sitting at this month's TPO point of control. So I'm just looking for this to hold as support and continue to find buyers here. But I mean, my stop here is currently at 107.70. So I mean, if we do break below this sort of break back into this this lower sort of distribution and back into the bracket, then I'll be wrong on this trade, and I'll be getting out for sort of a small loss on the core position. But I've already banked over 300 ticks on the, or about 270 ticks I've banked on this position already. So I mean, I'm whatever happens, I'm profitable in this trade. But obviously I was looking to get a nice runner established as with a hope of higher prices. But just have to see if we can see these levels hold and we can see some buyers respond here overnight. I mean, realistically, what I'd want to see going in tomorrow is an open back inside of yesterday's range, and if anything, when we closed the RTH open before this sell-off, I was looking for this market to hopefully open above the point of control, and then look at us start to establish some more inventory here and get some more scaled out as we explored higher prices. But just have to see what happens. Obviously, I mean, with this this new sort of price action in the market, just have to just see what happens and see if these levels hold a support or not. I mean, from a Midas Vwap perspective, I mean, this is where I got long from, 106.88 originally, and this was the meters Vwap I was tracking, and this was going to be my line in the sand pretty much. And as you can see, this is where we closed RTH, and we've just sold off all the way through the meters Vwap and right to the value area low. So I mean, hopefully we will hold this value area low, and we will continue to find buyers here on auction higher. But just have to see what happens tomorrow. I mean, another meters Vwap I've been sort of looking at is from this spike lower, and we're testing this meters Vwap now. But I've also anchored a new one from the current swing high, and you can see that we've been basically trailing this today. So I mean, that's currently sitting at 109.80. So just have to see what happens here, and how we open tomorrow, and what price action we get overnight. I mean, hopefully like I said, we find support here, and I don't get stopped out on this position. Anyway, I'll continue to do these updates through tomorrow if I don't get stopped out. If I do get stopped out, I'll just do a trade summary on this trade, and I'll post that as my last video. But we'll see what happens. I mean, other than that, today on the ES, there was a great setup off the open. I mean, I didn't capture this because I wanted to keep these videos singled out, but I mean, we just responded right off Friday's point of control here, and we see this market test above the previous high of day, and we continue to find buyers here, and we sort of one time framed away from Friday's value, so creating a higher value area, but inside a value. They're overlapping in a minute. But anyways, I hope you'll do great today, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Bye.